Hi everyone, and welcome to this Ginnivis 3D video on how to assemble the 3D printed PlayStation controller inspired Fidget. So the filament that we used in this particular print is the PLA Basic Black and Jade White from Bamboo Labs, and the PLA Basic Blue, which you see in the single colored 3D printed model. And of course, this 3D print was approved by our supervisor, Odin the cat. And this model was printed on the Bamboo Lab X1 carbon. So here's everything that's included in the 3D printed file. First of all, we have our joysticks. We have these little cogs which act as the bumpers in the controller. We have the covers for the joysticks and the axles. And of course we have our adorable little 3D printed controller as well. Okay, so first up you're going to want to take a break to let your cat destroy everything you've been doing. But once you're done with that and you've set it back up again, we're going to start with the holes on the top of the controller, and we're going to put in these little cog wheels which act as the bumpers on the controller. Then we're going to get our axles and we're going to push them through the holes on the back of the controller, through the center of the cogs, and push them as much as we can. So you might find that the axles need an extra bit of pressure to push in. So in this case, I'm using my tweezers, which have a really nice flat surface, to just give it a bit of an extra push. And there we have the first spinning bumper. And then you're going to want to do the exact same thing on the other side. And ta-da! Working fidget spinner bumpers on our controller. Okay, so now we're going to look at our joysticks. We're going to put them in these gaps at the front and just make sure that they spin freely as well. And then we're going to cover them up by placing these little pieces, which I'm calling the joystick covers, on top and push them in. Now, once again, sometimes it's good to add a bit of pressure, so push down on them with something like a hammer or a flat surface. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're just going to test that our joystick is actually functional, that it spins nice and smoothly, that there aren't any bits on it that are a bit too rough or there's too much friction. And then let's put the other joystick on the other side and cover it up with our joystick covers. And there you have it, a PlayStation controller inspired fidget with working joysticks and spinning bumpers. So if you'd like to print this model, the STL files are available in the description below. Thank you so much for watching Ginnivis 3D. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. If you'd like to see Odin the cat review this 3D fidget toy, check out our YouTube shorts.